Alright, y'all, so I figured I would give you all a brief tour of Paducah Louisville's main locomotive facility that they have here in Paducah, Kentucky. And as you can see, there's plenty of power that's sitting out here at their main shop here. I know we're technically not supposed to be out here, but they have some really interesting power. So this is an SD70 Mac. I'm assuming it's formerly Union Pacific. You have the Kentucky Wildcats 2012 unit livery. Looks like you have a road slug right there. It could be that looks like an ex-Louisville, Nashville unit. And over here that's sitting on the locomotive facility here is a what appears to be an ex-Union Pacific SD70 Mac. No, this is not an SD70 Mac. This is an SD70M, I should say. XUP. This one is not running, but the other one that's sitting right beside it is running. I think. No, I don't think so. Then right over here we have the 4522. As you can see, the Wildcats paint livery, the UK. I'm assuming that's a university that they have in Paducah. So, since no one is out here today, I figured I will give you all a brief tour here. We're gonna continue on to our hotel, and we may rail fin a little bit on the Canadian National line. And I don't know if you all can see that down there, but we have what appears to be a Paducah Louisville coal train sitting down here with Canadian National power. I'll zoom in so you can see. 3056 is a CN Tier 4 GVO, it looks like. An ET44AC. And then obviously, getting back to the 4522, it looks like they're currently working on it, or there might have been something wrong with it. I was going to record this with my camcorder, but I just wanted to record with my phone since the video quality seems to be better than what my camcorder has. But there you have it. That is a brief tour of the Paducah and Louisville Railway Diesel Locomotive Shop. This is the main shop that they have along their system. There might be others, but anyways, there you have it.